Loyalty Squad family, this is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful detox video for you today. Now, this is going to be a detox lemonade, which is going to help you with that bloating as well as losing that weight really fast. And this is a morning beverage, as well as you can also drink this before your meal, okay? Before each meal. So this is a wonderful weight loss solution. So let me show you exactly how we're going to make this. Now before doing so, let me show you some of the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need some boiling water. So make sure your kettle is on the stove and it's boiling. You're also going to need some honey. Okay, need some more honey because I ain't got much honey left. As well as some ground ginger. You're also going to be using today some ground cloves. Okay, and some cayenne pepper. And lastly, you're also going to use the juice of 1 lemon. So today I'm going to be using my real lemon juice. So if you got all natural lemons, that's wonderful. Okay, so let's start this drink now. So you're just going to pour into your cup your hot water. Okay, not too hot, because you're going to have to wait until it cools off a little before you put your honey in. Now in the water, I'm going to put in the juice of 1 lemon, which is 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Next, we're going to use a pinch of our cayenne pepper. And all you need is a pinch. Okay, little dap will do it. You're also going to need a pinch of your ground ginger. Just a pinch. Just a little bit, not much. You're also going to need a pinch of your ground cloves. Just a pinch. And lastly, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of your honey. Now these cloves are strong, so you're going to smell it. Okay. Now for garnishment, I'm just going to pop my lime in there. And you're just going to mix this up. And this is a wonderful morning tea as well as a tea before your meals. Okay, so now it's ready to drink. And yes, this is what's going to do it, you guys. This is going to flush away that fat. It's going to help you with bloating if you're bloated. It's also going to help you with digestion. And because of the heat in the cayenne pepper as well as the cloves and the ginger, it's going to melt that fat. Melt the fat cells right off of you. Okay, you guys, so enjoy your wonderful morning tea as well as you drink this 3 times a day, and you're going to see wonderful benefits in your body. Alright, so bon appetit. And until the next video, I will see you then. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on your way out, and share these videos so that others who are on a weight loss journey can also get some wonderful tips and natural ingredient ideas of maintaining and also losing that weight. Alright, so until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Bye. Hey fam! Where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.